Hi, I'm Dr. Sandy Musial of Plant Docs, and today we're going to be making a Plant Docs version of an Irish stew, now that St. Patty's Day is coming up, using a whole bunch of root vegetables, carrots, celery, potatoes, onions, garlic, mushrooms, and some plant-based meats like sausages and seitan, and of course, Guinness. So what I'm going to do first is dice up this amazingly huge onion. The recipe calls for 2, but since it's so big, I'm only going to use 1. And 4 to 5, these carrots are skinny, so I did 5 carrots and 3 or 4 stalks of celery. I'm going to get them started in the pot, and then we'll add some other veggies. This is going to go faster because we're making big chunks. So like you would see in a stew, not like in a typical soup. It's more like a boiled dinner kind of thing. So I have my carrots, onions, and celery chunks. I'm going to add 2 bay leaves with a little bit of broth to keep it from sticking. And I'm going to add my 1 teaspoon of thyme, a little bit of white pepper. I'm going to put in 2 sweet potatoes because they're on the small side. These are not organic, so I'm going to peel them. The red potatoes are organic, and I'm just going to chop them up in the skins. I'm going to add the rest of the veggie broth, so there's 4 cups. So far we have our onions, carrots, celery, spices, sweet potatoes, and regular potatoes. And now I'm going to chop up this amazing cabbage. I removed the 2 outer leaves that looked a little weathered in this little brown spot, but other than that, it looks good to go. I'm going to cut off this bottom, that looks really tough. I'm gonna see if I can just chop it. Bruised it a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is cut like wedges. I'm thinking 8 wedges. Now I'm gonna just quarter the mushrooms. So this is what it looks like, boiling away on the bottom. The vegetables on the top are being steamed. I'm just going to cover it up and let it cook down a little bit. I'm going to open my Guinness and measure out a cup of Guinness and add that. And the rest is going in my authentic Guinness pint. Straight out of Dublin for the cook. Best of luck. Okay, while that's cooking, I'm going to get my plant-based meats ready. This is the field roast apple and sage sausage links that, you know, to me are not A foods, but they're like, you know, B minus. They're not terrible. They give a lot of punch for flavor, and every once in a while I love using these. And my well-meaning boyfriend, I sent him to get seitan, came back with this tofurkey plant-based deli slices. Ooh, let's see, what is this? Ooh, I mean, it just looks disgusting, but I'm gonna try it. It's okay. It's not going in this. We'll get the sausages going. All right, I just needed 2 hands to mix this up properly, push the cabbage under, and add the sausage to the top, which really just needs to be warmed up. So looking and smelling amazing.